Assekrem, January 15th, 1985. The man in the photo is Thierry Sabine, the founder and official organizer of the legendary Paris-Dakar Rally. On that day, while following and filming participants during a race around the Algeria Mountains, Thierry's helicopter crashed in the highlands of Assekrem. Fortunately, he and all passengers survived, although the helicopter sustained some damage. It was later transported by truck to Tamanrasset, then shipped from Algiers to Europe. After being repaired, the same helicopter returned to compete in the rally once again. But fate had other plans. Exactly 1 year later, in January 1986, during the next edition of the rally, the same helicopter met its tragic end. On the evening of January 14th, 1986, at around 5:30 p.m., while flying over the Malian desert, the helicopter was caught in a sudden sandstorm. The pilot attempted an emergency landing, but the aircraft struck sand dunes and exploded near Gao, just 8 kilometers from Gourma-Rousse in Mali. All 5 passengers perished in the crash. Thierry Sabine French singer, Daniel Balavoine, 2 journalists, the pilot. A tragic ending exactly 1 year and 1 day after the first accident in the same month under the same sky.